Hello everybody, it is me, Aubrey. I got slime because I just came back from my friend Angel's house. Hi Angie. So Angie and me, we were in the pool first. When I first got there, we were talking to each other. I was the first one there. Then we went into the pool with each other. Then Izzy and them came. Some of y'all don't know these people. Then Izzy and them came, and then we had like this little party that my grandma picked me up, and then before she picked me up, Angela mixed my slime with her slime, half of her slime with my slime. So she let me keep that piece when she mixed it. So I'm showing you the slime right now. It's a really nice slime actually. Now that we mix this, like a cloud fluffy slime. We added like so much shaving cream. She sneakily took her brother's shaving cream. The funny part was we almost added his whole container. It was starting getting empty, and Michael doesn't even have a beard. So I'm gonna show you the slime right now. So we are probably so colored stuff. I'm going to give you 5 seconds to try to guess the color. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're done. And try to guess what kind of slime this is. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. You're done. And if you guessed a fluffy cloud slime, you're right. It's not that much of cloud slime, but we did add some of this cloud product. I don't know how to color it. I don't. It's fluffy slime with. It's fluffy and cloud slime, and it is a pink slime. I will actually put it down because I don't want to get it all over my carpet. That's on it. There's little pieces of glitter in them. I have a bucket right next to me that have activator, and it started turning into water. So I have activated my room so my slimes, if they start getting dried out, they don't they start getting dried out. There's lotion in this box. This is our own box, okay? So don't judge me. It has some lotion mixed with activator and some shampoo, and that will fix your slime. Here's a hack. If you get shampoo and toothpaste and you mix it together, it turns into jiggly, sticky slime. But then you have to add like laundry detergent if you want to make it into like a regular little slime. I don't have any toothpaste right now. This is one of my slimes right now. I'm just about to go on it. Guys, let me show you why you shouldn't get the let me show you why you shouldn't get the magic glue. So I had a light green yellow slime. I played with it for one day. I put it in a container, and then the next day the container got really dirty because it started melting, so I had more activated. The last day in the container, it turned really hard. Then we added lotion to it, and then it turned really harder. And then the color turned brown. So now it just looks like poop. I'm showing you it right now. It will open. I don't want to touch it. No, yo, it actually looks like poo. It's hard though. Right. Comment down below if you want me to touch. If I get this, if I get 2 likes, I'm not lying. If I get 2 likes, I'll prank somebody and put this on the floor. Actually, I'm gonna do it right now. I'll put 2 big poops on the floor. Wait, shh, guys, I'm gonna go put one in front of my... I just like to poop. Yes, I just like the fake doo-doo on her floor inside of her room. Now we have to hide the fake doo-doo. So, they won't know that it was me. So, this is the slime. It smells really, really good because I mix my slime with her slime. Her slime smelled kind of good. My slime smelled really good because I added like scent to it. But this is my slime. We're gonna wait for her to try to find the poo-poo. Okay, guys, actually, I'm gonna do it. Guys, she said I could watch TV in her room. I'll be right back.
I mean, that's not poo-poo. I mean,
Thank you.
I mean, stop, because Sarah could have got in trouble. You stop.
Hey, y'all heard me. I got yelled at, but she fell for it. Okay, bye guys. Keep smiling and always say peace and be nice to each other. Peace. I'll do shout outs in a couple more weeks. Peace.